They say that all the weddings are similar. It may contain a grain of truth as it can be found in all the wedding ceremonies celebrated. Sabi nila, pare-pareho lang naman ang kasal. Wala namang naiiba doon. Huwag niyong aakalain, Martin at Sharina, ang kasal pare-pareho. Hindi siya pare-pareho. I am pretty much convinced that every marriage is different. It is different precisely because the subjects involved are persons, unique and dynamic individuals. That marriage is not all the same even if the wedding celebrations, date, motif, and attire are very much the conventional.
Easy come and easy go.
I never dreamed to have this very grand and special wedding, but you made me realize I deserve to have this beautiful once-in-a-lifetime event.
It's like we've always known, been set in stone.
As we now welcome Mr. and Mrs. Martin and Sharina Nicolas.
I've always dreamed true harmony, unmistakable.
Itong araw na ito yung palagi niyong babalikan sa buhay ninyo. And this particular wedding should always remind you of your commitment, not just before the two of you, but before God. Ito yung araw na sasabihin ninyo, ito yung inialay ko, ang buhay ko, ang sarili ko, sa taong ibinigay sa akin ng Diyos na makasama ko at maging katuwang ko habang buhay. Sharina, did you come here today of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Martin, did you come here today of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Are you both ready to raise up a good Christians, the children of whom God will give you?
Yes, Father.
First, Martin and Sharina, marital life consists of unending choices. Choose to be faithful always. Yan ang pinakamahalagang pundasyon ng pagsasama ng pangmatagalan.
Unmistakable.
8 years, pero parang kahapon lang. Siguro, ganun talaga kapag nasa right person ka na.
They balance each other out like yin and yang. Their love language is so honest and natural. Walang patwitams, pero you can see that they really care for each other. The way Martin makes Cha her coffee and the way Cha has memorized Martin's food preference. Always well done. They are truly each other's best friends since the beginning.
It's been a long time, but I remember it well. Just like the photo we keep on the shelf.
You can see Martin and Cha doing their own thing, letting each other be themselves, doing whatever they want. Of course, every now and then, mag-uusap sila, magkakaroon sila ng argument, mag-aasaran sila, papakita sila ng konting affection. Easygoing, sobrang comfortable ng relationship nila.
Also seen them in their bad days, but no couples are perfect. What made me admire them the most is at the end of each day, they still choose to be with each other. And that, I believe, is what true love is.
We are far from perfect, but we learn how to complement each other.
Walang perpektong asawa, pero mananatiling may mabuting asawa, lalo na kapag ang babae ay palaging andon ng kanyang tiwala sa kanyang asawa. So Sharina, wag na wag mawawala yung tiwala na yon na meron ka kay Martin. Martin, iingatan mo yung tiwala na yon. Sharina, do you take Martin here present as your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother the Church?
Yes, I do.
Martin, do you take Sharina here present as your lawful wife according to the rite of our Holy Mother the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as a lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
This you are going to make before the Lord and the people, your family and your friends are present here.
My heart is racing. These tears of happiness shaking. 'Cause I know that I found love. I'm ever
Ganda.
yours. I'm ever yours.
Salamat at hindi mo kami pinabayaan, family mo. At ayun, nakapagtapos ako and si Jenny at nasa na si mama at papa ngayon. Then salamat din sa hindi ko makakalimutan sa iyo na nung bata tayo, yung 1 pack ng Milo, 25 grams, hati-hati tayong 5. Ginagawa mo yun tuwing umaga na para meron tayong breakfast.
I close my eyes and see all that we could.
Totoo ba? I always mention to our friends and family members that this is the biggest event of my life. I never experienced celebrating my debut, graduation, passing CPA board exam, and even getting promoted as grand as this. So I'm very thankful to you, to the Lord, to the universe, and kung kanino pa, that I was allowed and granted to experience this with you.
Una, magti-thank you muna ako kay Martin kasi nakita namin kung paano siya mag-care dun kay ate. Nakita namin kung paano niya talaga kamahal yung ate namin, kung paano niya alagaan yung ate namin nung malayo siya sa amin. Thank you, Kuya Martin, sa lahat ng pag-aalaga mo kay ate at sa lahat-lahat.
Meron siyang nakitang ikaw na hindi mo siya pinabayaan at alam naman namin na family niya na mahal mo siya.
Kaya nandyan silang lahat. Kasi for sure, happy din sila for this day kung nandito pa sila. Salamat sa pag-aalaga, sa respeto, sa pagmamahal, sa pag-unawa, sa paghihintay, sa hindi mo pag-iwan sa akin kahit nung mga panahon na kaiwan-iwan na ako, sa pagtanggap sa akin ng buong buo.
Indeed, you are being binded by love, by particular respect. This means that you should be able to live as one, dream as one, work as one, journey as one, struggle as one, love as one, but never ever to absolve the person of anyone. That in whatever situation you may find yourselves in, you will remain for each other until death.
Grant us, O Lord, from this day forward, to be one of heart and one soul, for better and for worse, for richer or poorer, in sickness and in health, until death do us part.
As the years go by, we might get older, but love will grow stronger.
Hindi mo lang alam kung gaano kasaya ang puso ko na mapangasawa ka. Hindi tayo perfecto, pero masasabi kong sobra pa sa sapat ang makasama ka habang buhay.
To know that forever love you will be
This is
mine.
it.
Through it all, my dear.
Ako ang mas pinagpala na maging asawa mo. Above all, thank you for being born.
As the years go by, we might get older, but love will grow stronger.
For Martin and Cha, best wishes. Sana mag-grow yung marriage nyo forever at maging happy kayo.
I will be yours year after year.
Ipagdasal, pahalagahan, at pangalagaan ang katapatan na meron kayo sa isa't isa.
Charina, I give you the strength as a sign of my love and fidelity in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Wear this ring as a sign of my love and fidelity in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Ngayon, papasok ko na sa buhay, may pamilya. Sana, gayahin mo kami ng mama niyo.
Ay, sabi mo nga sa amin, lalagay ka lang sa tahimik na buhay kung nasa siguradong estado na kaming dalawa ng magulang mo at higit sa lahat ang iyong mga kapatid. Maraming salamat, anak.
And meron kaming example na gagayaan.
Beyond financial, yung
pagmamahal mo sa amin, hindi mababayaran.
For you, right into your arms, and I just wanna love you well with all that I am. So I give you my heart.
You push me past my limits. I can take risks because I know that you will be there for me. I'm confident and brave because I have you.
I know that I've fallen so fast for you, right into your arms, and I just wanna love you well with all that I am. So I give you my heart.
And I will continue to aim to be the best person for you every day.
Hindi kita iiwan. Dito lang ako sa tabi mo kahit anong mangyari. I love you so much and I can't wait to spend my lifetime with you.
I know that I'm falling so fast for you, right into your arms. So I give you I know that I'm falling so fast for you, right into your arms. So I give you, and I just wanna love you well with all that I am.
Martin and Sharina, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Brothers and sisters, let us give them a round of applause.
So I give you